Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to OpenVPN server on your VDS step by step clearly. To authenticate to an OpenVPN server on your virtual dedicated server, start by accessing your VDS. Use SSH to connect to your server. Enter your username and password when prompted. Once logged in, update your package lists using the command sudo apt-get update. Next, install OpenVPN if it's not already installed. Use the command sudo apt-get install OpenVPN. After installation, navigate to the OpenVPN directory. You can do this by typing cd/etc/OpenVPN. Now, you'll need your configuration file. This file typically has a .ofn extension. Upload the .ofn file to the OpenVPN directory. You can use SCP or SFTP for this transfer. After the file is in place, ensure that permissions are set correctly. Change permissions with the command sudo chmod 600 yourfile.ofn, replace your file with your actual file name. Now it's time to start OpenVPN. Use the command sudo openvpn config yourfile.ofn. If your configuration requires additional authentication, you may need to enter your username and password. Monitor the connection logs for any issues. Once connected, you should see a confirmation message in the terminal. You are now authenticated to your OpenVPN server on your VDS. To disconnect, simply use Ctrl+C in the terminal. Your session is now securely authenticated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.